Welcome to the Stoic Tide. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a woman pull away? Right when things were just starting to get good. One moment, she's texting nonstop, laughing at everything you say, calling you amazing. And the next, cold, distant, unpredictable. You start asking yourself, what did I do wrong? Why did her energy change? What happened to the connection we had? Here's the truth, brother. It's not about chasing her harder. It's about triggering something deeper, something psychological, something that flips the dynamic completely, where she's the one chasing you. Hook, why she pulls away, and how to make her chase you. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 powerful psychological triggers that make a woman obsessed with you, not in a manipulative way, but in a magnetic way. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the one mindset shift that will make you unforgettable, the kind of man she can stop thinking about. Let's dive in. Trigger number 1. The scarcity effect. She values what she fears losing. Here's a hard truth. People don't chase what ass easy to get. They chase what ass rare. Psychology calls it scarcity, and it's one of the most powerful emotional drivers in attraction. If you're always available, texting constantly, replying in seconds, ready at her call, you become predictable, and predictability kills desire. But when your presence becomes a privilege, not a guarantee, something shifts. She starts to crave your attention. She begins to miss your energy. You don't need to ghost her. You just need a purpose so big that she realizes you're not waiting for her. Try this line. I've been deep in my work lately, but I've got a little time now. What's up? That line communicates control, focus, and high value. Your time isn't free, it's earned, and that's what pulls her closer. Trigger number 2, emotional contrast, the roller coaster. She secretly loves. Here's something most men never understand. Women aren't obsessed with calm, they're obsessed with intensity, with contrast, with a man who can make them feel. Imagine this. One moment, you're teasing her with confidence and wit. The next, you drop a raw, heartfelt compliment that hits her soul. That emotional switch is addictive. It gives her a rush, a high that lingers. You're not being manipulative. You're just showing range. You're grounded and passionate, calm and exciting, masculine and emotionally intelligent. That balance makes her think about you when you not around, because her emotions are still processing you. Trigger number 3, the power of subtle mystery. Never reveal it all. Here's a truth that separates men she forgets from men she obsesses over. She wants to discover you, not download you. Most guys tell their entire life story in the first week. They think honesty equals oversharing. It doesn't. Mystery isn't about being distant, it's about being selective. Be warm but unpredictable, open but reserved. Make her earn access to your inner world, piece by piece. When she feels like there's more to uncover, she'll keep coming back. That curiosity is what keeps her invested. Trigger number 4, the power of disqualification. You're the prize too. Most men act like they need to impress her, as if her attention is the goal. But a high-value man doesn't chase validation, he commands it. This is called disqualification. It's when you subtly communicate that you're not for everyone, not even her. It's reverse psychology at its finest. Say something like, "You're interesting. I don't usually get along with people this easily." It tells her you're selective, that she has to earn your respect. And suddenly her mind flips from, "I hope he likes me," to, "I want him to choose me." That's when attraction becomes obsession. Trigger number 5, emotional anchoring. Leave her with a feeling she can't shake you. Ever wonder why some people stay on your mind long after they're gone? It's not because of looks or money, it's because of emotion. Every time you're around her, anchor an emotion. Peace, excitement, desire, inspiration. Because here's the secret, she won't remember everything you say, but she'll never forget how you made her feel. Maybe you made her laugh when she was anxious. Maybe you challenged her to think differently. Maybe you stayed calm when she tried to test you. That's emotional anchoring. You become the safe place and the spark, the peace and the fire, the final shift. the mindset that makes her chase. Here's the real power move, the mindset that flips everything. Stop chasing women. Start chasing purpose. Stop trying to be liked. Start being respected. Stop trying to impress. Start expressing who you are. When your world is already full, when your time, your energy, your presence carry weight, she'll do everything she can to be part of it. And when you speak, she'll listen. When you pull away, she'll chase. Because deep down, she'll know. She's found something rare. Not just a man, but a man who knows his value. So remember, scarcity builds desire. Contrast builds emotion. Mystery builds intrigue. Disqualification builds respect. Anchoring builds attachment. Put them together, and you become unforgettable. Stay grounded, stay calm, and never forget, the most attractive man in any room is the one who doesn't need to prove it.